Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, we have got another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can do a streaks on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, we will simply go ahead open up our Snapchat first. So let's say streaks are in Snapchat. Streaks score matters, right? So what are streak scores? It's basically your Snapchat, the snap stories, the snaps that you share either in your app or with your friends and family. You receive snaps, you send snap. That's how your score increases or stays the way it is, right? So if you go to our profile over here, we can see the score, right? If you tap on that score, we can simply read over here your snap score is 6006. Your snap score increase with each snap you send and receive, as it mentioned over here. Snap score is snap streak is simply the snaps that you send, the snap that you receive on daily basis, and it calculates. And you can see 498 snaps sent, 5496 snaps received. That's how you can as well know how this streaks manages, how the snaps are, the counting is. As you have seen over here, if you want to increase your score, make sure to send snap and receive snaps on daily basis and do as much as you would like to. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys on our next video.